Unboxing my super Kenwood blender. Mm, mm, ooh, wee. Look at this one. The one that you use and push what's blending inside. Yay! And then, wow. This is the one that I use and blend dry thing. This one is specifically for dry thing. This one is specifically for fresh thing like fruits, tomato, and the rest of them. Yay! Wow! This this product is super. This one is for pounding. You can pound yam, you can pound your cassava. This is nice. Imagine using blender to pound your cassava instead of using mortar to pound cocoa and it will pound very smooth. What is good, Joe. Then this one is the cover. It goes like this. It goes like this. Yeah. This is how it looks. Then yay! This one is the engine. Oh my god. Woo! The engine makes sense. Mm. This one is not like the other blender I had. This one is super better. You have not yet started using it, but I know what I got. I know how much I spent to buy it. Oh my god. See engine now. Lego engine. Lego engine. I'll pamper this like an ego. This one is on. This one is off. This one is not steady. This one is off and on. This one, you use this one for blending it small. Like when you blend it, if it is not up to your taste, just one, this one just will cut it into smaller pieces. When you cut it, if it is up to your taste fine. But just on it like this, 3 seconds off it. On it, 3 seconds off it. On it, 3 seconds off it. You pamper it like an egg. Then you come to this one. If you want it to be very smooth, then you hold it like this and you blend it to your taste. And then this one is the control switch. Oh my god, you put it to the level that you want. This control switch is level by level, starting from level 30. If level 30 is not good for you, depending on what you are blending, put it in level 90 and keep on going till you get your result. But level 30 is even very good. Is another switch. It depends on what you are blending. So if you're blending something soft, even level 3 is okay. If it is like dry thing, you can just put it to the normal level to blend it to your taste. Yay! Oh my god, I just like what I got. Super Kenwood crusher and liquidizer. 13,000 watts. Even 10,000 watts can still work very well, but I just like the fact that this one is 13,000 watts and it can blend my fufu. This blender can also blend beans as well. This one can blend beans. If you want to blend, this is how you fix it. When you fix it this way, if you are blending, you hold it on the top, hold it well, very tight so that it will not lose. This is not the type of blender that will be blending without holding. If the thing loose, it can affect that engine and it will make it to spend huge amounts. Just make sure you hold it at the top to keep the engine of the blender safe and to make it to last longer for you. The blender is so good.